Hi everyone, I'm Seyedi, and welcome to episode 1 of my AutoCAD tutorial series for architects and beginners. Today, we're opening AutoCAD and getting to know the interface. And if you're new and feel overwhelmed by AutoCAD's busy environment, don't worry, this video is just for you. You can use any version from 2014 and up, but I recommend AutoCAD 2018. It's fast and simple. This is the start page, and it has 3 main sections. 1. Get started to create a new project. 2. Open file to open your saved drawings. 3. Recent documents, your recently opened files, and you can pin your important ones here. Now let's move into the drawing area, where all the real work happens. On top, we have the Drawing and Editing toolbar. We'll use this a lot. At the bottom, there's the command line. Whatever you type here, AutoCAD listens. And the customization bar below is something we'll explore later. It's very useful. On the right, we have the View cube, which shows directions and controls views. For 2D drafting, we usually stay in the top view. And that's it. Now you know your way around AutoCAD's interface. In the next episode, we'll create our first drawing. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next lessons. And here's a quick exercise. Open AutoCAD and use your mouse to explore the interface. Just get comfortable with where everything is. Goodbye.